What's up, guys? I'm here with Richard Bienvenu.
What's up, guys?
So we just finished wiring up our little robot. We put a little GoPro on it, and we've got stepper motors, line sensors, and we got this field. We're all getting ready for IEEE Region 5 competition. So we're gonna get this thing running. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You ready, Rich?
Yep, let's do it.
I'm gonna record this guy.
It's recording.
Still working some bugs out. Let's see. Hey, can you catch that, Rich? So that's our first motion. We're gonna get Huy and Bryan in here this week to rework the code so that we are all calibrated and set to go for competition.